Good morning, everyone. So today we are going to study a new topic, which is force. So first of all, we should know what is force. Generally, in basic terms, we used to know force is just push or pull. In a simple term, we can define it like force is a push or pull. Suppose that here this boy is opening the door. This boy is opening the door. So what he is doing? He is pulling to open. He pulls to open the door. So force is just a push or pull. If you want to throw a stone, then you have to push that particular stone. If you want to open like this guy, then you have to pull that particular door. Okay, so what is push or pull acting on an object is known as force. The SI unit of force is Newton. SI unit of force is Newton, and its CGS unit is Dyn. It's Dyn. Okay, understood? Force is a push or pull acting on an object is known as force. The SI unit is Newton and CGS unit is Dyn. So moving to the next topic, what is the effect of forces? What is the effect of forces? So first of all, we will see two type of things. Change its state of rest. First, what will be the effect of force? First, there will be a change in the state of rest. A stationary object starts moving. It starts moving. Here it is important. It starts moving when acted upon by a force. Here you will see this particular boy is throwing that particular football. This football is stationary at a moment of time, but he used to kick this ball, then it moves in motion. तो यहाँ पे आप क्या देख रहे हैं? यहाँ पे आप ये चीज देख रहे हैं कि ये जो मूवमेंट है, ठीक है, ये मूवमेंट कैसा हो रहा है? रेस्ट एंड मोशन. तो यहां पर मैं ये बताना चाहता हूं कि दिस इज अ चेंज इन द स्टेट ऑफ रेस्ट. सो नेक्स्ट, चेंज इन द स्टेट ऑफ मोशन. दैट द प्रीवियस फिगर वी हैव सीन, व्हाट इट वाज? द बॉल इज इन द रेस्ट, वी आर मूविंग इट इन मोशन बाय kicking. But here, this particular is the state of motion. We are going to stop that particular object. Here, what you will see, this particular boy, this ball is in motion. This ball is in motion. He used to hold that particular ball. अगर आप, if you see here, one second. If you see here, this ball has been stopped. In his hand it has been stopped. So in this way it can be into the motion, it can be into the rest. तो ये चीजें हम यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं. Next, change in direction. A moving body can change its direction when force is acted upon it. We are playing cricket. Ball is coming from that side. We used to hit and throw the ball into the another side. So in this way we can change the particular direction of the ball. You will see here what he is doing. The ball is coming in this direction. He used to hit and move to the another direction. Okay, next, changes its speed. A moving object can change its speed when acted by upon a force. We can increase the speed of a cycle, we can decrease the speed of a cycle by applying force. So we can see, we can increase or we can decrease. If we will increase the speed, then the cycle will move further. When we will decrease the speed, cycle will move backward. Like if it is speeds will be getting down, then the object will move backward. Like their speeds comparatively to other, it will be slow. But if the speed will be increasing, let's see, the cycle moves front, cycle moves, okay, this is change in the speed, this is change in the speed. Here change in the shape or size, change in the size of shape. We have a stretched rubber, we can increase the size and we can increase the size and decrease the size. So here what this particular lady is doing yoga, so what he is doing, what she is doing, she is increasing that particularly, she is increasing the length of a rubber, increasing the size and shape, increasing the size and shape, okay. So in this way we can change that particular effects of force. So we are going to see some of the things. Direction of force, okay, direction of force. Suppose that if two boys are applying force on a box in the same direction, it will add up and total force will increase. Suppose that this one, this is the image in which this boy is applying the force in this direction, this boy is applying the force in this direction, A1, and this boy is also applying the force in this direction. Then in which direction the object will move? It will move in this direction, it will move in this direction, in this way, in this, it will move in this direction, okay. If in this image this object, this boy is moving this particular box in this direction, and this is in this direction, okay. So this boy will take this object here, this boy will take this object here. So what will happen, this object will be in the same position, in the neutral position. So in this way the object will not move. This is known as balanced force, this is known as balanced force. Like we are stretching that particular thing in both direction, it will not move, but if you will take in one direction, then it will move, okay. So moving to the next topic, frictional forces. What is frictional forces? Frictional forces is an extra force acting on an object when it is on the surface. It's a contact force, it's a contact force. We can walk, we can write, I can write here due to the frictional force, and friction can affect many things. It is the opposing force, it is the opposing force. So by some of the activity I am going to show you that which type of friction can we see here. Suppose that this is a activity, okay. So here we can see, not this one, we have to investigate how friction varies with changing surface. तो अगर आप यहाँ पर देखोगे तो हमारे पास यहाँ वुडन ब्लॉक, मेरे पास यहाँ पे क्या है, वुडन ब्लॉक, और यहाँ पे मेरे पास केबल है by which we are used to pull the particular object. यहाँ पे सरफेस कुछ नहीं है, ठीक है, इसको मैं लिख सकता हूँ प्लेन सरफेस, ठीक है, और यहाँ पे क्या है, लुब्रिकेंट, ये जो ब्लू दिख रहा है ना, ये क्या है, लुब्रिकेंट, ठीक है, ये मेरा लुब्रिकेंट। अब मैं यहाँ पर देखूंगा कि जब मैं इसको पुल करता हूँ यहाँ का ऑब्जेक्ट को, जब यहाँ के ऑब्जेक्ट को पुल करता हूँ तो इसकी स्पीड क्या होगी और यहाँ के ऑब्जेक्ट को पुल करने की स्पीड क्या होगी। चलिए अब मैं अगर इसको स्टार्ट करता हूँ, ठीक है, अब देखिए इसकी स्पीड देखिए किस तरह से स्मूथली जा रहा है, ठीक है, स्मूथली जा रहा है, लेकिन इसकी स्पीड बहुत कम है। लेकिन यहाँ पर मैंने क्या किया, लुब्रिकेंट अप्लाई किया, तो अब मैं इसको पुल करता हूँ, देखिए इसकी स्पीड देखिए, ठीक है। अब मैं इसको फिर से कर रहा हूँ, अब मैं इसको पुल करता हूँ, देखिए इसकी स्पीड देखिए धीरे-धीरे जा रही है, इट इज मूविंग स्लोली, बट इन द केस ऑफ लुब्रिकेंट मैं इसको पुल करता हूँ, इसकी स्पीड देखिए, अगेन आई रिपीट, पुल किया, स्पीड स्लो, मूविंग स्लो, बट हियर इन दिस केस स्पीड इज मोर, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पर हमने क्या देखा कि लुब्रिकेशन से फ्रिक्शन को कम किया जा सकता है, वी कैन रिड्यूस द फ्रिक्शन बाय अप्लाइंग लुब्रिकेंट।